Hello, this campervan is the Westfalia Columbus. It is a rather classic, straightforward campervan. It comes at a cost of 83,000 euros. This is 636 centimeters in length. This is called a 641E. It has a 100-litre tank of fresh water and a 100-litre tank of wastewater. It comes with warm water floor heating, and it has a bed which is in a widthwise direction, as you can see here. So that's it. It's a rather classic van. It's a design which now it's become quite common. This thing here, though, as far as Westfalia is concerned, is a little bit more elegant than most other manufacturers. We have storage up here, and around here that is your wardrobe, and I tried the same thing in my vehicle, and obviously Westfalia must have copied me because I was doing it before they did. At the back there's no storage. Is that a waste of space? Yes, it is. Under here we've got, obviously, the bed will actually completely raise up, and you can see here we've got a place to store more things. Indeed, this will come away and this will come out if you want not to sleep with another person, and there could be good reason for that, so you can make two singles in the back if you wish. This is a fridge, a Vitri Frigo. It's a two-way fridge, runs off the battery. You can, of course, extend the battery. I think it comes with a 95 ampere hour battery. I'd strongly suggest that you extended that if you want to be off-grid. If you don't want to be off-grid, then it won't make the slightest bit of difference. I think Westfalia does the nicest bathrooms. Lovely and bright. It's and stacks of space inside. If I go in here like this now, and I'm going to close the door behind me, and I do appreciate this, the mirrors, because the mirrors make things really bright. And look, this is I've got plenty of space above me, and I'm standing on the duct board. The sink is molded. It's got a proper domestic plug in it, plug hole, I should say, drainage hole. Toilet, okay, it's like a normal Thetford toilet. And down here, I'll lift this up because I've got to find something which is wrong. It's got a domestic drainage, which is great, but really it would have benefited. It does have two. Sorry, I'm getting confused which van I'm in. So it's great. It's got two domestic drainage holes. I'm going to leave that in the video just to show I do make mistakes. It's got two drainage holes in there, and there is opposite sides. Great. I mean, if they're on the same side, well, it's better than having one, but opposite sides, that is absolutely very good. I personally think that this logo looks really good. It goes back to a different age. It sort of shows tradition for the vehicle. Here we've got something which is a new idea. We've got the seats will go, you can actually make them go back. The bench, people complain how uncomfortable it is, and here we have the facility for making a different bed. So you'd put the chairs come forward and the mattress goes over the top. That's a new thing from this company. Storage up here and in the bulwark. And now I don't really like these things as a rule, but okay, I'll let it go because I like everything else. In here, you can see, looks like a radio, doesn't it? Really? And probably is a radio as well. But you can see what the score is on the battery. You can see that we're currently on hookup, and the time is incorrect. Two burners here. Nothing unusual about that. And here we have. There's the sink. Unfortunately, the sink has let me down by having a little drainage hole in it, not a big one. I like to have I prefer to have the tap inside. I know people think that doesn't look so good, but I think it is. Down here, I'm going to show this. There you go. There's a wardrobe as well. You've got two wardrobes in this one. let's go around the back. Lot of space in there. There you go, trophy system there, and if you want this will even upside, you can see that this the whole thing that'll lift up, gives you more space. You got an outdoor shower there. Really stacks of space here at the back. So anyway, it's not just this one here though, it comes in other sizes as well. So at the back, this one is the same. This one here's got a tent in the roof, which can't see the point of. This is 599 centimeters long, Columbus 601D. I don't know what the D stands for. These stand for diesel. This thing here will cost 88,500 euros, and I'm pretty certain it was much cheaper not so long ago. There's something unusual, a double chair that actually turns around. I was looking at one of these yesterday from a manufacturer. I was thinking at the time, I've never seen one of them in action, and there you go. The following day I actually see one in action. Not a double chair, but the double chair that goes around, because the company actually manufactures the mechanism for turn the chair around, make it into a captain's chair. They also manufacture the seats as well. I think that's a bit of a minority interest for the moment, but in vehicles where people are trying to carry more with them, then it could come in handy. Let's have a look. There's the tent in the roof. A tent in the roof is a tent, and it doesn't keep you, in fact you even see through this one here. It doesn't keep you very warm at all. And anyway, here it says it's got a patented bed in the seating. So you've got the seat here that you can actually put the seat back a bit as well, but you can bring it forward, and the bed, extra bed, is down here, and that is a very good idea for saving space. I think there's better solutions, but as people want to have extra beds, I think the best solution is to have a one of these blow-up mattresses, because that's what I've got in mine. It takes up no space at all. Anyway, in here, same wonderful washroom, and down here, yeah, same. So where's all the extra space gone? So where's the 37 centimeters extra? The other one's gone. Well, this is a widthwise bed only, and if you're fitting a widthwise bed, you can save yourself 37 centimeters, and unless you want single beds, of course. So that's how that works. There's even a step up to get yourself into the bed. Right, so here we have the shortest one, 540 centimeters in length. It's what they've done for this, obviously pushed everything forward. It comes with a tent in the roof, and we'll have a look at it round the back, but in this case you can see this in a separate video. This thing here is going to cost 86,000 euros. So there's the tent in the roof. It comes optimal integrated solar panel, 380 watt solar panel in the back. But from my way of thinking, I think this type, people looking for a small footprint, this is a very good solution, but not much bigger than that footprint of a car. But hey, 87,000. Right, let's have a look at this one as well. The 600E costs 77,500, and it's 599 centimeters in length. A very, very simple, straightforward vehicle. I do rather like the style though of this. Well, I like the floor as well. So this is a sort of one where people can't make their mind up which way they want to sleep. They want to sleep widthwise or lengthwise. Well, it offers you both. And if you just one of you, you can of course lift the whole. This will come up, and you can have a seat with a bicycle if you would rather prefer that. Just to make the point, this is very similar. Not the same, similar. One advantage here, of course, is more space here. There's a different system with the drawers, and it even has one of these. The point of which I don't know. But if anybody knows what that is, then do say. So, Columbus campervan. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that of interest. If you did, then you might want to subscribe, and my site has the most videos on any channel related to van life. So a huge selection of vehicles here. Nearly all of them have an explanation, like I'm doing now, and some of them even have a reasonable explanation in the description as well. Some of them, not all of them, one or two of them. So I upload every day at 21:15 Central European time. That is where I am. But if you want to know when I'm uploading other things, because I do occasionally do things at the weekend. I do live broadcasts. I tried to do live broadcasts from here, from Dusseldorf. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the strong enough internet signal, but I do them as well. And sometimes I upload it twice, even 3 times a day has been known. So thanks for watching, and all the best from me in Germany.